I've got here leftover vegetables. What should we do with them? Let's make a quick and delicious pulutan. Call it ukoy, omelette, tortilla or pancake, vegetable pancake. It's delicious and it's quick. Join me and let's do this together. Let's have fun at my small kitchen.
You're watching Channel 1 and this is the World Cuisine series presented in Taglish. Let's join Romulo in his small kitchen.
Again, welcome. That's true. Very simple and quick pulutan. You can also have this for snacks or breakfast. Our voiceover will tell us the ingredients.
Very simple. Cabbage, 2 eggs, onion, garlic, carrots and paprika as an option, and salt and pepper. You can refer anytime to the description box for the complete list.
In addition to what our voiceover has mentioned, we'll be adding crabs or shrimp. There's always a good chemistry between crustaceans, may it be shrimp or crabs, and egg. If you notice, they always go well together. There's a very special resulting flavor from the two. Okay, let's start slicing the vegetables.
He slices as thin as possible. I can't find my peeler, so I'm using the back edge of my knife. This is not good. And into julienne. Cut it into fine strips, called julienne by the chefs. This is difficult for me, but once I get the rhythm, it becomes easier. Look. And for the paprika, just tiny squares to give it more color. And same for the onions, just chop small squares, fine chops. I've got here just 4 shrimps, just to give a hint of shrimp flavor. This will do wonder. Yes, just 4. Sahog lang, konting-konti lang will do the trick. And to distribute the flavor evenly, chop it finely. Just like ukoy, we need flour as a bonding agent. Egg is not enough to bond it. And to give it some structure. Plus the eggs, just 2. But you are free to be generous. You can make it 3 if you have more. Universal seasoning, salt and pepper. And mix thoroughly, really thoroughly, almost like a butter.
Surprise! We'll just have to mix this well. The big camera ran out of battery. So we only have 1 camera today.
I think we're ready to fry this now. Heat oil around 3 tablespoons and fry the mixture or the batter. Flatten the surface to give it a pancake look and feel, and cook it at low flame for 10 minutes.
Pancake with vegetables is not very known in the Philippines, but this is widely a street food in Korea. I've also seen this in Myanmar. We have ukoy. I think that's, yeah, we have ukoy, which is equivalent to this.
It's been 10 minutes and it's time to turn it over. No, Romano, no, not this way. Do the standard omelette way of turning. That's it. Very good. Still at low flame, give the other side 4 minutes to cook.
Now the question is, how would you call this? Pancake, ukoy, or omelette? I'd like to call it as tortilla de repollo. How about you? Anong gusto nyong itawag dito? It's now cooked. It's time to serve it. Imagine that. Look at this. I'm really happy with the result. The chemistry among the egg, the shrimp, and the cabbage is just perfect. Really, I like it. Even without sauce. It's really good even without sauce, but let's try ketchup. Let's try ketchup. Just a small amount to test. How does it taste with the ketchup? Gawana, this is a leveled up ukoy. Really, it's really good. Unbelievable, with very simple ingredients. Remember, the shrimp is just an option. And since we prepared this for pulutan, we'll enjoy this with red wine.
Thank you for joining me here today. Huwag na mainggit, gawana. This is easy. Pulutan snacks or ulam. This is easy. Tortillang repollo or cabbage omelette.
I think it doesn't go well with red wine. This is better with white wine. Or rosé or beer. It was not good with red wine. Or just with this. Kanin. Or just by itself. It's really good.